Scratch project step by step. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add laser shooting to your game using clones in Scratch. We'll make a player sprite fire lasers when you press the space bar. Simple, fast, and awesome. Let's get started. So click on choose sprite. Then get whatever sprite you want. I'll be choosing a rocket ship. Set it to whatever size you want. Be setting it to 50. And choose another sprite. This will be your laser. Choose a sprite that will be your laser. There's no laser in Scratch, so we will be making our own. Let's do that. And click on paint a sprite, then go to the line button and be sure to choose whatever color you want for the laser as the outline. There we go, we have a laser. It's very simple, and you want to make this laser not very obvious. And if you want, you can make it into if you have sprite folders, you can put it in the same sprite folder as the rocket. Do not have Scratch add-ons enabled right now, but I can enable it right now. Folder. Seems to be sprite folders aren't working as they are supposed to be, but continue on. Put the laser in a place that is not very obvious. I'm just gonna be putting it here. And the code for the rocket ship. For this, you would need a simple movement program so it can actually move around. You can learn about movement programs in my other video about movement programs. I'll put a link in the description there. And we'll make a simple movement program. Get to if blocks. Then in sensing, get in 2 if key press blocks and make this A and this one S. Or you can change it with the arrow keys if you want. There we go. Then in motion, we want the change X block. And you can set this to the speed you want. Then set this to the speed you want. You can set this to whatever speed you want. So you can set this to whatever speed you want, and also set this to minus the speed you want, the negative number of the speed you want. I'll be setting it to 10, and there we go, a simple make this D. There we go, a simple movement program in Scratch. And now we have to add lasers. So what you want to do is, in the lasers, you want to go to control, and when I start as a clone, you want to go to the, make it get the go to block and make it go to the rocket ship. Then you want it to make it go up. So in the rocket ship, get an if block and go to sensing and get a key press block and set this to X or whatever key you want. You can also use space. And then what you want is go to control and then get a create clone block and make it your laser. Then the laser doesn't seem to be working. Let's troubleshoot it. Oh, right, rookie mistake. Forgot to add a forever block. Then it should be working perfectly fine. There we go. We also want it to disappear if it touches the edge. So if touching the edge, then you want it to make it delete itself. There we go. And also, if you have enemies in your game, you can add an AND block. Oh, forgot, it's or an OR block, that if they're touching the edge or the enemy, you can make it disappear. There we go. When it touches the edge, it disappears. Now you have a simple movement program in Scratch, including with lasers. Bye bye.